So we've been desperately needing some rain. It's finally showed up, but I just want to be done for the night. It's getting closer to sunset. What is it, 8 o'clock right now? And I want to get the chickens closed up. I've gone out there multiple times. There's like 1 or 2 loose. As soon as they either A, see me, they start coming out, or I just had an incident. I had to run out there and I'm just trying to get 3 of them that are under the coop. And I grabbed the pole to try to scare them that way, and hopefully I can kind of push them towards the door and have them go up. And of course, every single chicken comes out because I scared them from underneath. So I think right now they're all sitting under the coop, and it's gonna just have to wait till it gets a little bit darker here. I think I may have lucked out a little bit here. The rain looks like it had stopped for a few minutes. We're gonna see if the chickens are in. I don't see anyone under the coop. I think I lucked out and managed to get all those guys in. There's been some nights where I have to come out when it's pretty dark. I like to try to speed up the routine, especially with the days getting a little bit shorter here. You know, it's kind of my responsibility to get those guys in. And sometimes it's often tempting just to be like, well, the electric fence will protect them, but that's not always the case. And this year we've been having a lot of coyotes hanging out a little bit closer than we've liked. We've already dispatched a couple of them, but I just prefer not to take that risk.